Hi guys, Anthony here from Ledz, introducing our 12 volts SMD DIY kits. Stay tuned as we do an unboxing in this video. Let's see what's inside the box. You will receive a strip light basic diagram, the power supply, the strip light, a switch, accessories including your male and female jacks, a strip connector as well as a wire connector, as well as some extra cable. Now that you have all your components, you take your power supply, insert the female connector, then you will put some cable if you wish to extend this. This part is optional. Take note of the side that the little groove is on to make life easier. My groove is on the black. Then we will put this to a male. From the male you then will go to the switch. From the switch to the female connector. To some more ripcord should you wish to lengthen it some more. Connect your wire connector, and there, that is all ready. Take out your strip now. Take your strip connector, lift it up nicely. Black is negative, line it up nicely and close down. Finally connect. We just need to check our groove is on the black as we said. So there's the groove. And there, everything is connected and ready to use. Let's test it. For installation on the Z, just remember if you need to go around the corner, simply bend. And that is how you go around the corner, and stick down with a genuine 3M at the back.